Hi, are you looking for a professional logo design? Well, you are in the right place. My name is Nancy and I am a graphic designer based in India. Welcome to my studio, The Design Affair. I am an entrepreneur, wife, and mother of one dog. I am specialized in logo design and branding, and I love what I do. I have been working as freelancer for over 5 years now, and I have worked with hundreds of companies. I have clients that are large multinational as well as entrepreneurs who are just starting their businesses. I do everything to convert your business into the brand, from logo design to stationery design to social media covers to much more. I think that the important thing is when we work together, you get something that is really amazing, something that stands out, and something that really works hard for your brand. So if you are looking for a high-end professional logo design for your brand, let's get it done. Feel free to check out my portfolio and see what other buyers think of me. Thank you.